So now that you've got your handle braided, you want to go ahead and smooth it out and prepare it for going on the batter bowl. And like I said, you want to take just a moist sponge. You don't want a lot of water in there. Just moist enough to glide over the edges and smooth out whatever cracks might have shown up as you were braiding. And then what I do is I push the braid together to make it really tight. Now it's going to be going on the bowl like this. So what I like to do is go ahead and prepare that edge so that when I go to attach it, it's a little bit easier and I don't have to do as much work or push on the braid as much. Now I just tap it against the canvas here so that that edge gets flat and a little bit fatter so that it'll be a good place to score and slip this handle on. And now once I've got it in the shape that I want and I've got that edge nice and flat, I'll set this handle aside and let it set up so that I can attach it to the batter bowl later on.